Josh here with FASS Fuel Systems. We're proud to announce the release of our Industrial Series system for the Detroit DD15. Now this system was specifically designed for Class 8 and heavy-duty applications. This system will improve your fuel efficiency, it'll improve your throttle response, filter dirt and particulates down to 2 micron absolute, and remove over 99% of the water in your diesel fuel. Now, one of the major benefits of the Industrial Series system over previous systems is you now no longer have the need to run a dedicated return line kit to one or both of the fuel tanks. This system comes with all of the fittings you need to simply just tie in with the engine return right here underneath the hood, the fuel filter housing, cutting the installation time in half. Now, we are using the same million-mile motor technology as our Signature Series system, so it's a proven design. Now, for more information on this system or to locate a Class 8 dealer near you, be sure to log on to fastride.com.